In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to take notes. Specifically, how to transform your messy PDF notes into clean, organized, and professional study materials. If you've ever struggled with chaotic note-taking, this guide is for you. So let's dive right into this simple demonstration. First, consider those times when you've had a collection of disorganized notes. Messy notes can be a real headache, and that's exactly where Gemini comes into play. It helps in turning the clutter into coherent and well-structured notes that you can review easily. To get started, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. The first URL that appears should be the official Google Gemini website, so click on it. You'll be directed to the Gemini platform, where the magic happens. Once you're on the Gemini website, you'll see a plus sign icon. This is where you upload the file containing your messy notes. Click on the plus sign, which will prompt you to choose the file from your device. This step makes it crucial to have your PDF file organized and easily accessible from your computer. Now, once your file is uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. This is as simple yet effective as telling Gemini what you want to achieve with your notes. Here's an example prompt. Turn this into clean study notes with headings, bullet points, and a short summary at the top. This prompt guides Gemini in understanding exactly how you want your final notes to look. After preparing your prompt with your ideal specifications, simply click on Submit. This will initiate the process where Gemini works its magic, transforming your chaotic notes into an organized format. Within moments, the system produces a neat, clean version of your notes, with important sections highlighted with headings, points succinctly bulleted, and a comprehensive yet brief summary right at the top. This process is not only efficient, but a real game changer for students and professionals alike who regularly deal with extensive amounts of study material. The well-structured output makes it much easier to retain information and review it whenever needed. And that's all there is to it. By the end of this process, you'll have converted your disorganized PDFs into clear, easily digestible notes with the help of Google Gemini. It's a straightforward process that can save you plenty of time, helping you focus on actually learning instead of just trying to figure out what you wrote down days or weeks ago. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your note-taking process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.